guys, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. And also, please don't forget to like. It truly helps our channel. Happy reading!
Hello everyone, this is chapter 60 and let's start reading. This series of beauty creams, previously sold in 2 batches in the capital city, were very well received. Ikaw ba naman pamigay mo sa mga noble girls? I wonder if the two of you have heard anything about it. Oh, I think he knows. So, this cream was made by her. It's super popular among the noble ladies in the capital city. Oh, he knows. Young master, you really struck gold. Oh, whether it sells well or not, we must see with our own eyes. We can't just take your words for it. Uy, nako, businessman, very treacherous. Takes out an abacus and slay. In business, there are no fools. Wu Wangxin is very meticulous. I can't be careless. She's alert now. You little dummy, let's see whether you can win this fox. Mas magaling pa to si ate mo, girl eh. Besides, I also want to promote medical diet and beauty soaps. Soups? Soups pala. Okay, and what would that be? It's getting colder now. Opening a hot soup shop to warm stomach is a good idea. Medicinal cuisine is a good idea. The old master is also using it. But she just laughed. Oo nga naman, beauty tapos soup. Parang mag-beauty soup. Magkaiba naman. Gentlemen, this beauty soup is for soaking in, not for drinking. Ano yan? Parang hot pot? I know, hindi siya hot pot. Parang sauna bath? Ganun? Beauty soup is made with Chinese herbs as well as milk and flowers, brewed into different efficacies for washing, steaming, and soaking for care and maintenance. Ano yan? Ginger, mga ugat-ugat, dahon-dahon. Pero beauty, soak yung body mo for rejuvenate, ganun. Different herbal baths have different effects, not only for beauty and skincare, but also for health and healing. May magandang business yan. Kaya lang everyone can do it now eh. Ang ano lang, so expensive kasi you need to buy those herbal things sa mga ibang country na. For example, a tired person just needs to soak for half an hour. So for tired person, half an hour lang. Afterwards, they'll feel light and refreshed with all fatigue gone. Brother, are such miraculous things really this possible? Suspicious. Ayaw niyang maniwala. Nga naman. For 30 minutes, mawawala na yung fatigue mo sa katawan. Of course, it's true. Before the opening of beauty soup, you can try it out first to see the effectiveness. O, diba? May pa-try out. If it's free, of course, I'll go. Go free. Mahilig sa free to Not only I will go, but the girls from the Goddess Pavilion naturally should also support your business, taking advantage of you. Damay pa niya lahat ng mga girls niya. It seems, brother, you are aiming to becoming the richest man in Dayu country. That's the goal. Para matanggal niya yung Jin family na yan. How can I compare with you? As long as beauty soap takes off, I'll definitely make a killing. And it complements the sale of my homemade beauty cream, enhancing the effect even more. The effect even more. Oo nga, no? Gumamit sila ng cream, nagbabad pa sila, so mas lalo silang gaganda. The old master previously entrusted me to find an opportunity to bring together the young tower master and Miss Bansha. Oh, okay, so he knows Bansha. He knows that it is Bansha. Ooh, okay. Maybe he's just saying brother so that the others won't overhear. The atmosphere is good now. Speaking of which, there were rumors before about your upcoming grand wedding. Upcoming grand wedding. With whom? Are you still preparing it? Do you need my help? Actually, whoever marries our young master will be lucky. As if naman maano mo yan. Hindi mo madadala si Bansha kasi in her previous life, she married him and she died. Our young master. Interrupt. Too bad. I like women. Gets off conversation. Diba? Ayaw niya. May sinasabi yun? Sorry, it's out my league. Oh, really? Change the subject. Brother, you can't speak carelessly like that. How about this? Let's first calculate the distribution of the profits from beauty soap. Beauty soup. Ano ba? You will just provide the formula and take part in some management, while we at Angie Tower will handle the choice of shop location, renovations, as well as supervised construction, attract customers, and overall coordination. So parang sila na lahat, just provide the hidden ingredients, ganun. So sila na bahala sa marketing. Parang inangkin na din nila. Baka mangyari nun, ang matira na lang sa kanya is just a 10% of the supposed income. So in the end, it should be a split of 10 to 90. Sabi na 10 to 90 eh. 10% na lang kay Bansha. Hello, sa tingin mo papayag yan? This Wu Wenxin is truly a black-hearted. I have full confidence in my merchandise. All of this will be the most sought-after items in the capital city. Iba kalmado lang. I can earn no less even if I cooperate with others. See? Nga naman, kaya niyang umincome kahit hindi niyo siya tutulungan. The one at loss is Tanjin Tower. See? 50-50. 10-90. Ano talaga nito, no? Negosyo talaga. No more discussion. 10-90. Absolutely no compromise. Enough. Bakit kasi ayaw nito? 10-90 talaga gusto niya. Split the profits. 40-60. You can take 40 and Tianji Towers takes 60. Oh, 40-60? Okay. Sila naman na ng location, pati yung management. Okay. What I want is a 40-60 split. Young master, act so noble. Oh, so extraordinary. Shake. I, Wu Wangxin, have been in the business world for years. A 40-60 split is an utter humiliation. Smell. What is the smell? Wu Wangxin has been poisoned this deeply? Ooh, okay, so galing no, even precious smelling, she could identify that Wu Wangxin was been poisoned. Anyway, that's the end. So the next chapter would be available next week again. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye.
Thank you for reading with me, everyone. Until the next chapter. Bye.